So now we have to think about adoption. If we have an animal, we've treated it for Giardia, it's come back, it's healthy, but it's still SNP positive. What do we do? So we need to weigh the pros and cons and how we're going to tackle this adoption. So, of course, always in the back of the mind, we're thinking we're adopting out an animal that has a potentially zoonotic disease. And what does this mean for our adopters? We need to remember that immunocompromised humans are at risk. So people with certain diseases and children, these Giardia can be very life-threatening for them. So we need to consider what kind of home we're placing this animal in. And many shelters have chosen to do a waiver. Of course, client communication and education is very important. We're going to have someone sit down with them and explain, you're adopting an animal with Giardia, and this is what it means. We can have them sign a waiver to help negate some liability on the shelter's behalf. But as you probably can figure out, there's no great way of completely reducing the risk. And as another side, it also is important, if you're adopting out a cat with Giardia and you're adopting it out to the nice old lady who has 6 other cats, what does that mean to her whole household? You know, is that going to be repercussions down the road that you're going to feel quite bad about if she comes up with a bunch of sick cats?